Hello everyone, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine and you are doing your study well. Is it? Yes. So, here we are again with our new lesson of general knowledge, that is lesson number 10, India, land of religions. Okay. See, 5 questions, that is descriptions, are given of religions, and you have to find out the name of each and every religion. See, the help box is given already, that is clues for you. So, under that box, 5 answers are given. With the help of that clues, you have to find out the name of religion. Okay, read out. India is a land of many cultures and beliefs. Several religions have originated in this country. Okay, as you know, we are living together. Everyone is following their religion, everyone is following the rule of their religions, but then also we are living together. So what we can say for this? Yes, unity in diversity. So like this only, you have to find out the name of each and every religion with the help of given description. Okay, so shall we start? Yes, see the first one. Okay, you also have to read with me, and after that, with the description, we'll find out the name of religion. Okay, see, read this. This religion is of Siddhartha Gautama, who attended the enlightenment and came to be known as Buddha. Okay, so by this, can you guess the name of religion? Okay, we'll read more. Gautam Buddha preached the non-violence through his knowledge or his philosophy. Okay, its followers are called Buddhist. Yes, so by that you can easily name that religion. Can you tell me? Yes, that is Buddhism. So write down there. First answer is Buddhism. Okay? Yes, now we'll move towards our second one. Read this. This religion was founded in 15th century by Guru Nanak. Have you heard this name? Yes. Guru Nanak established the system of langar or community kitchen in order to demonstrate the need to share. Okay? Yes. We'll read more. And have the quality among all the people. The central teaching of this religion is in the belief of concept of oneness of God. So now, can you tell me the name of this religion? Yes? Yes, this is Sikhism. Okay, write down the This religion consists of many diverse traditions and has often been termed as the oldest surviving religion in the world. Okay, this is very easy to identify. Okay, carefully read it. Its laws are based on karma, dharma, and social norms. It prescribes the values such as honesty, mercy, purity, etc. Okay, so can you tell me the name of this religion? Okay, we'll read more. Its practices include the rituals like puja, chants, or occasional pilgrimage. It is the world's third largest religion. Now, can you tell the name? Yes, it is Hinduism. So, write down their name, that is Hinduism. Yes. Now, see the fourth one. Read it. Yes. This Indian religion prescribes ahimsa, that is a path of non-violence. Very good. Towards all living beings. Its three main principles are non-violence, non-absolutism, and non-possessiveness. Yes, the followers of this religion follow the teaching of the 24 teachers of this. Yes, we'll read more. See, known as teachers that are known as, yes, Vardhaman Mahavir was the last and the most famous. So can you tell me by this name? Yes, that is Jainism. So write down there, the answer is Jainism. Yes. Now see the fifth one and the last one. This religious movement was started by the Mughal Empire Akbar in 1582. Have you heard this name, Akbar? Yes, from the Mughal Empire. As the tolerant king, Akbar was eager to merge the best element of the religions in his empire and remove the differences that divided his subjects. So now the elements of this religion were primarily drawn from Islam and Hinduism. So now, can you tell me the name of this religion? See the help box. Yes, only one answer is remaining, and that is Din-e-Illahi. So write down there, the answer is Din-e-Illahi. Okay, so have you wrote all the answers? Good. Now, after finishing your writing, you have to click one photo. Okay, so after this we are having one revision exercise, that is revision exercise 2. But that revision exercise will take in next session. Okay, till that stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.